afternoon, YouTube. What is up? I wasn't going to do a video until Monday. I think it's mostly males that watch our channel, but I know there's some ladies out there. So I just want to say happy Mother's Day tomorrow, first off, to any of my moms that are watching. I am working on some senior softball shirts for our local high school. Even though Bentley is homeschooled, he's still very involved with all of the sports. And one of the moms, our boys play together. So I always offer to make the shirts for softball and basketball and whatever. And I haven't been out here in a while to like really spend some time out in the office. And I totally forgot I have some stickers I want to show you. And I've seen other YouTubers do this. I was like, nobody else sent me stickers. But then we got some, we sent some, we got some. It's kind of fun. So I'm going to turn this camera around and I'm going to show you. All right, so these are my filing cabinets and I just load it up with stuff that the kids get and the different trade shows and local companies. And then we put some up here. Look at that ambassador sticker. But this side is blank. So I was thinking, one of our previous videos, I had said if you put a, if you went on Instagram and you said a word, I would send you a sticker. Let's see here. Because I got a whole bunch of orders of these Poulin property stickers. So I have Life Work Lawn and Landscape. So I'm going to put, I think, this right here. And then I also got Rescue Landscaping. And that came with a note. Thank you for the sticker. Now to find a good place for it. In return, here's one of mine. Looking forward to watching PPM grow into a great season. So I just want to say thank you guys. You know, it's not just about us. We're rooting for all the landscape companies out there. And, you know, it's just, we should be able to bounce ideas off of each other. If you're local to each other, if someone needs a hand, it's all about community, and we all hopefully love what we do and support each other in it. So I'm excited to get these two businesses as my first two up on the filing cabinet. Joe and Bentley, I almost said Harvey. Joe and Bentley are out checking the land and kind of seeing, we've got so much rain, like how muddy it is. And I'm kind of scared that they're never going to make it back out without being stuck. And yeah, I'm going to get these shirts made. And then Christian starts back Monday. He worked last summer. He is graduating from PSU today, so we're super stoked for him. Congratulations to Christian. But I also have to make him 5 new shirts and a sweatshirt so that he's got all his Poulin property gear. So we're just doing a whole bunch of office work and cleaning up, and it has been rain, rain, rain. And we are excited. It looks like sun for like 4 or 5 days in a row. So we have 2 weeks mapped out of all the work we need to do. We are so excited to get back to it. Okay, crazy. I'm putting some stuff away. The stickers are up here. They look great. And I don't think I've ever shared this totally crazy fact about myself. I don't know if normal people do this or if I'm just special. But I have a filing cabinet. And I have kept everything. Mother's Day cards, Father's Day cards, our wedding, anniversaries, Thanksgiving, Christmas. I am a freak and I filed them all away. 17 years of being married to Joe. But one thing I will say, my grandmother, I called her Moni, was my best friend. She was like my mom, my best friend. She was the greatest person in my life. And she wrote a lot. And she wrote a thank you card for everything you ever did for her. And I'm so thankful I have those because she has not been with us now since right before COVID hit. And I'm supposed to be making shirts. And I kind of went down a rabbit hole of reading not all, but so many of her cards and her words. And she would write a Christmas letter to all her family and friends every year. But the other thing I found that I want to share with you guys, I'd leave in the comments, do you keep things? I mean, I feel like I'm not a hoarder. I don't keep a lot of things, but like words and pictures and memories, I don't know. I keep that kind of stuff. But okay, I was looking through like thank yous and everything, and I had to make a separate folder just for Poulin property. And like, look at some of these things from preschools we've donated stuff for. You know, sanding in and swooping driveways. Yeah, swooping in and sanding driveways. Just jobs we've done. Somebody, like, gave us Dunkin' Donuts gift cards. And I left the gift card, like, the cover of it in here. I mean, there are so many years. I mean, I love when I get, like, a letter with, you know, a check or a payment. You know, for years, for Bellitates, we did their gift, like they're giving back every year and helping someone. I mean, it's just so fun to look back at so many years, you know, always donating to sports. But anyways, I got this note from Rescue Landscaping, and look, it goes right in, whoops, you gotta put it in order. It goes right in the folder to just sit in the filing cabinet for years and years and years. So even though my office looks like a complete bomb went off for the moment for me, there is a method to my madness, and I just need time to like sit down and file things away. All right, shirts are done. All the seniors tie-dye their own color, and then everybody else on the team gets blue. We love our seniors. We do this every year. It's fun. The boys are up here helping. They set up the dartboard. Ooh, what? Nope, not even close. Good try.
Oh wow, I thought that was good. It actually really sucked.
Actually, it wasn't that good at all. It was actually really bad.
All right, shirts are done. Organize the office a little bit, and now it's time. Oh, I had a bunch of blank shirts I'd never made for me, so I made a whole bunch. And now it's time to go deliver the MV shirts and to grab dinner for Mother's Day maybe, and call it a night. But thanks, just quick short video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll put our P.O. box in the description of this. So if you have some stickers, you want to send me one, I'll send you one, and it's fun. We'll see who wants to
Playing a sticker game?
Yeah, we'll see who wants to join.
Yeah, I don't know what you made for a video, but I have... Oh, it's the wrong format.
Joseph, did you and Bentley have fun four-wheeling?
Yeah, we, as you all know from all of our other videos, we've gotten a lot of rain. And so all of our typical mud water holes were deeper than normal. Which they're not. We're not going across like the pond or anything. But, you know, when they're going over the footboards, and normally it's just a little splash of a puddle or whatever. And they were very, like, soupy because everything is running and, like, silting in.
Yeah.
And then we ventured out and actually went across the couple swamp areas out there for the first time.
It was fun, B.
Yeah.
On these wheelers. And
yeah, that was a great decision. We went after it rained.
Yeah. So yeah, we had fun out there.
Well, cool.
Woo.
Well, this was just a really quick video. So after you shoot that last start,
Yep.
You want to say peace out, YouTube? We'll see you Monday.
Peace out, YouTube. We'll see you Monday. Happy Mother's Day to all you mothers.